This MyQ-enabled garage door opener includes our powerful 1/2 HP motor for easy lifting of heavy doors. The chain drive system opens garage doors smoothly and quietly. Patented Security Plus 2.0 rolling code technologies along with multi-frequency transmitters help eliminate interference, providing consistent performance over a long range. Allows for up to 200 watts of lighting and is CFL compatible. Quick and easy to install 5-piece rail system fits most garages with 7 feet high garage doors. Solid steel chassis and rail for long-lasting performance. Includes 2 3-button remote controls, multi-function wall control, and a wireless keyless entry system. HomeLink Compatible. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. MyQ technology enables you to monitor, open, and close your garage door from a smartphone. Internet gateway CIGBU required and sold separately. Number 2. Allows for up to 200 watts of lighting for added safety and is CFL compatible. Compatibility bridge, not included, necessary for certain vehicles. Number 3. Quick and easy to install 5-piece rail system fits most garages with 7-foot high garage doors. Number 4. HomeLink Compatible works with the in-vehicle remote control system built into most cars. Includes 2 3-button visor remote controls, multi-function wall control, and wireless keyless entry system. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.